You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this pigment, brown to black pigment. If you want to learn more names from medicine, biology, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Eumelanin, that's the most common form of melanin, and it's pronounced U at the beginning. Yes, just like you. Eumelanin. Stress on that meh syllable. English pronunciation, how to pronounce in American English or British English pronunciations. Eumelanin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.